Hey, this is Maesyn with Maesyn's Creations. Today we are making hot chocolate bombs. Today what we are going to need, the first supply is going to be round silicone molds, melting milk chocolate wafers, mini marshmallows, popsicle sticks, a plastic container to melt my chocolate, and a plate that you can put in the microwave. The first thing we're going to need to do is wash our hands. The second thing we're going to need to do is pour in our chocolate. That looks good. There we go. That's it. What we're going to do is put it in the microwave and stir it with our popsicle sticks every 30 seconds. When it's good and melted, we can go ahead and start putting in the silicone molds. Next, we're going to dump the chocolate into the silicone molds halfway. We're going to put a thin coat of chocolate in another layer, and the other one. Now we're going to stick it in the freezer. We're going to let that cool and we're going to do one more. So then on the next one, we're going to put another layer on. Go ahead and get your marshmallows and your plate out. A good way to measure your marshmallows is to use a mold. And if they fall out, you can put them back in if you need to. Next, go ahead and get out your plate. While you're waiting for your chocolate to chill, go ahead and put your plate in the microwave for 1 minute. After 1 minute, use a paw holder to get your plate out of the microwave. Next, you're going to pull the silicone mold away from the chocolate. Okay. Next, you're going to flip over the mold with the chocolate in it gently. Next, you're going to peel it back. The next step is to get your plate. Next thing we're going to do is flatten the edges on the plate. The next one that we just flattened that's hollow, we're going to put the marshmallows in. I just use my hands. this is a lot of marshmallows, a little too much, actually. Or is it good? And that's fine. Ugh. Come here. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. I'll take that one. For this one, we're going to circle it around on the plate and then smush it onto the thing. Now we test it. To test it, we are going to put the chocolate ball in our cup and then pour the milk over it. Or you can just splat it into the milk. And that's how you make a hot chocolate ball.